In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Adobe Photoshop to default settings. Sometimes, after a lot of experimenting, installing plugins, or changing your workspace, Photoshop can start to feel cluttered or behave in ways you don't expect. Resetting it back to its default settings is a quick way to get a clean, fresh start, just like when you first installed the program. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the reset process step by step, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so you know exactly what you're doing. First, go ahead and open Photoshop on your computer. Give it a moment to fully load. Before you reset anything, it's a good idea to close any open documents and save your work, because the reset will change your environment and some of your custom settings. Once Photoshop is open, move your attention to the very top of the screen, to the menu bar. Look for the menu labeled Edit. Click on Edit to open the drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you'll see a lot of options, but what you're looking for is Preferences. Hover your mouse over Preferences without clicking anything else yet. When you hover over it, an additional menu will slide out to the side. In that side menu, click on General. This will open the main Preferences window. The Preferences window is where Photoshop keeps most of its core settings, and from here, you can control a lot of how the program behaves. Inside the General Preferences window, look for a button that says Reset Preferences on Quit. This is the key control for resetting Photoshop. When you click this button, you're telling Photoshop, the next time I close the program, reset everything back to default. Go ahead and click Reset Preferences on Quit. As soon as you do that, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Photoshop wants to make sure you really intend to reset your settings, because this action can't be undone. The message will explain that your preferences will be reset the next time you restart Photoshop. If you're absolutely sure you want to continue, click OK in that confirmation pop-up. Once you confirm, you can close the Preferences window if it doesn't close automatically. Now, quit Photoshop completely. When you relaunch it, Photoshop will start with its default settings, as if it was freshly installed. Your files will still be there, but your custom preferences, panels, and some interface tweaks will go back to the original defaults, giving you a clean, stable workspace to work from again.